Well, hi, good morning. My name is Ben Ando from Revolution Trains. We're making a scale model of the Pendolino Class 390 electric train run by Virgin in association with Rapido Trains of Canada. Finally, we've got to 3D scan the thing. The guys are outside now going around the vehicle using a laser to 3D scan every inch of it so we can be absolutely sure the shape is right. But I couldn't resist coming inside and having a look at what it's like to sit in the cab of a Class 390. You can see all the controls. This one is actually, it says up there, 390-033A. Now this was the first class car that was at the rear of the train that crashed at Greyrig in Cumbria. This vehicle clearly was not badly damaged and is now used by Virgin for training because it has the kitchen area that is used in first class to prepare meals for passengers, and they train their chefs on here. They've also got another car here which is the shop car. Again, they use that for staff training because I think they felt they might as well get some use out of these vehicles. Now they couldn't be used to run up and down the West Coast main line between London, Glasgow, Liverpool, Manchester and so on. Well, here we are just at the front of our Pendolino train, and this is the laser scanner we're using. It's operated by Jonathan and David. David, just tell us how it works.
Basically, there's a laser that gets fed from the bottom there. It hits the spinning mirror, and then that reflects it off, and you're getting a full 217 degrees over the top coming out of both sides. And basically, this is called a time of flight laser scanner, which basically means it's measuring the time it takes the light to hit an object and come back, and because it knows the speed of light, it can work out the distance then. And so this is taking 1 million measurements a second.
And very accurately as well.
To plus or minus 5 mil over 100 metres.
So when you're scanning from quite close, that's even much
less.
Yes, it
reduces to about 1 millimetre.
And what do you do with all that data?
What we do when we get back to the office, we download the data off here, and then each scan has to be registered together, so we get an overall image of the train, for instance, and that's called a point cloud, which is made up of millions and millions of points. And then in the office, we then have to turn that into a 3D model, which then yourselves can use, and that's done by adding surfaces to a best fit over the points, so we get a good, especially for curves like this, you get a good fit for the.
And you'll move this all around the train to get different readings at different spaces, and you'll raise it up as well to get the roof.
Yeah, we'll put that on the big tripod, so that'll get us the roof. Yeah.
From your point of view, is this actually a difficult job or a relatively straightforward job?
From our point of view, it's a straightforward job.
Until it goes back into the office and then registering it all together and actually getting the model, then it becomes quite complicated. But on site, it's relatively easy for this.
Thanks very much indeed, Jen. So that's how it all works. So this is the driving car, Coach K, from set 390-033 that Virgin use for staff training here at Crewe. This is the first class passenger part of the driving car. As you can see, it's got the traditional 2+1 seating. It's also got these very distinctive table lights, and one intention that we have certainly is to have working lights representing these, because they're quite visible even with the heavily smoked glass from outside the train as it goes past. So this is the passenger cabin, and I'll take you through now to the front of the train. Through this door it leads into the kitchen, and this is why Virgin have this train here, because they use it to train all their chefs who are going to be operating and working on Class 390 Pendolino trains, teach them how to use the toasting rack, microwave. It's quite surprisingly roomy in here. In fact, you've got a grilling station, you've got 4 hot plates, washing station as well. This is where they store all the plates and the crockery. There we go. And through here then, fire extinguisher. Another small vestibule here, which is where the staff can get on and off, of course. Then electrical equipment on this side. So we come through, and now we're in what's called the rake of the train, which is where the profile starts to become more aerodynamic and streamlined. It's 7 metres long, and so we come into the cab here, which of course is where the second man and the driver sit when they're driving up the West Coast Main Line at 125 miles an hour.